is the question at the heart of every baby announcement: pink or blue? The color of your baby shower cake can actually reveal baby's gender, but we take that idea one more exciting step further with cake and a surprise in the cake's center. Cake artist Courtney Rich is here to show the art of the gender reveal cake. Everybody welcome Courtney to Studio 5.
Hi,
Isn't this audience lovely?
This is so fun. I'm not sure I'll be able to come back without this.
I know, it's so fun.
I love the vibe and the energy in here right now.
We're in such
Please
good
come
company.
every time I'm here, at least.
And we love when Courtney comes because she does bring the cake every time. So set up this cake concept for those who might not be familiar.
Well, a lot of people know it as like a piñata type of cake, but it's just a candy-filled, sprinkle-filled cake. And we're gonna stack it, and I put pink sprinkles in for baby girl.
Yes,
for the announcement.
Yeah.
And I did something a little different. We most times I think see the pink and the blue gender reveal cake, right? Like half of it's blue, half of it's pink.
Yes.
I like all colors, and this goes with just about anything, right? I could have any kind of decor. It's more of a party, a celebration of mama and baby. And then we put the colors inside. So I made my classic white cake, funfetti cake with pink sprinkles in the cake. And then we're gonna cut out, I'll show you how to stack it and fill it with our pink sprinkles.
So we can do
here.
this?
Yes.
All right, show us, Courtney, show us.
And then we're gonna roll this thing in my sprinkles over here.
Look at this. Doesn't this
We're gonna turn it sideways and we're gonna roll it.
Makes me happy to see that pan of sprinkles. Okay, where do we start?
Okay, so we're gonna cut out. Now, I think the key, don't get rid of too much cake, you guys. We want to eat this cake.
Yes.
Don't get rid of too much.
Yes.
Yes. So I only cut 2 layers, little circles.
Okay.
Nothing bigger than a couple inches. Okay. We're gonna just put our little cookie cutter right in here, and cut out the center.
You like the tall, skinny cake, I understand.
I like that because then we just get more sprinkles. There's more of a dramatic effect of sprinkles falling out.
Okay.
I took a picture of cutting this, and it's on my Instagram story, so you can just see it spill out all those sprinkles. So we're gonna start though, and we're gonna pipe and put some frosting here.
So you've got 4 layers total?
4 layers, and my cakes will do 3-layer 8-inch cakes or 4-layer 6-inch cakes.
Watch you do that all day.
Okay, so just a little bit, and we'll spread
mesmerizing,
that out. Okay, and this is our first base.
Okay.
And then we'll put on the next layer that we've cut out.
Yes.
And why don't you go ahead and cut out a 2nd layer for me?
She's trusting me, everybody.
I put sprinkles.
She's trusting me.
Each time I give you a bigger job, Brooke.
I know. I'm advancing. I feel so important.
One of these days, you're going to frost the entire cake for us.
Oh, don't get ahead of yourself. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so we need a little frosting, though, to hold these 2 cakes together.
Okay, this one next?
Nope, we need the other hole.
Just when I got all cocky about it. Okay.
All right, so now we've got 2 layers that are open, and we're just going to fill our sprinkles inside.
Why did I think this would be more complicated?
It's not.
There it is.
And you could put candy. I've put gumdrops in here, Skittles, whatever candy you want to use too. It's fun for a birthday party. But fill it all the way to the top because we need the support to hold on there. And then we're just going to, again, put some more frosting on here.
Okay, about 30 seconds. Can we roll?
Yeah, let's go ahead, put that on. Okay. I'm going to just, you want to do your crumb coat. Okay, we'll bring this over here.
This is exciting. I feel everybody holding their breath, right? We don't know what's gonna happen in this bath of sprinkles, but we're excited about it.
Okay, so there is a cardboard board underneath this cake. And this cake has been crumb coated and frosted, and I would smooth it out a little bit more, but because it's been frozen for about a half an hour, the cake is pretty sturdy.
Oh, okay. Is that fun? That's like kitchen playtime, isn't it?
Look at that, it's done.
The rumble, we loved it, right? We loved
and then
that.
if you have any more.
And kind of smush it on?
Yeah.
Oh, Courtney, so fun.
But then we'll freeze it again, so then we can cut the cake board off. We'll put more sprinkles on the top.
Yes.
And then you're good to go. I love a little cake topper. And I did something different. Instead of like baby, again, hooray, let's celebrate. Or how cute, just little hearts on the top filling the whole thing.
Because
it's just a day of love.
Yes.
Simple, I don't know, kind of goes with just about any theme.
Cakes by Courtney, everybody. Do we love her? Do we love her? We can check out more cake inspiration on your newly designed website.
Yes, new design on my website. Really fun, hopefully really user-friendly, a save feature so you can save your favorite recipes on my site. It's all there on cakebycourtney.com. So go check it out. Hope you love it and has everything you need.
This girl just launched a darling dress line, including the beautiful frock she's wearing today. So a lot to check out on our website. We'll link you over. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Brooke.
It's so fun to have you.